chỉ bay vek ule vô in July ni khát hi kan chung ta na lu em a kan tupa kan HMASAk ber last day lo pian ni nia hei cho te kan han siam ho don ani hi hei nak mai na last day hi kan fanu defani kan famhasaber fapa masaber ani bokani chuwang chuan an nu fa hian an special ve ani
Yeah, vegan sushi is fried water.
what
Vegan sushi is made out. A lot of it is made out of. There's squid ones that are made out of
really
fried water.
You got like a hat or something?
Yeah.
It has a hat.
Did you do one with potatoes? Just potatoes and meat?
What?
Yeah, meat potatoes.
Alright,
And one like
the
that.
next one.
Or you can do the. You can add.
hey atu po hi kan boy mam ani anu le logan le last day an zu bazara heng zong hian zu le ya hianin
Almost done, right? And we're gonna
jam
grill outside, right?
vegetable an le na tu le mai hey
He looks like he's strong now.
And someone help me bring these two out, and I'll cook them now.
all right Logan
I'll help you bring.
Bring this up.
yeah Logan's good putting in
Logan, have you ever worked at fast food places?
chun lama kan in lama kan loma ti chuan hemi zo hianin an in laman chawanga apa te ho nen an birthday hi an lom le do ni tlai lampanga ange program
Went
an
to
nei
this
pui cha
cafe, right? And I sit down at a table.
Yeah.
And I'm waiting, and then the waiter comes over, and she says, "Hello, what would you like to order?" And I say to the waiter, "I just like a small iced coffee. That's it." And so she goes into the back, and I'm waiting at the table, and then she comes back with nothing in hand, right? And I look at the waiter like, I ordered a small iced coffee. And then she unhinges her gaping maw, and a swarm of locusts exit her mouth, and then enter mine. And then I leave the cafe full.
okay po na kan cook don hey an boy nuk lain apuin swimming pool filter lo ti fai ve thung ani hi hi honey so what is that with that you mix
I just made like a little, like, marinade for all the veggies. Just salt, pepper, olive oil.
okay
Okay.
it smells really good ka fanu hian sa e lawa ani tan hian vegetable hi asiam boka chuan a fat tan bong sa hi ati boka a pe khop mai hei la thalai boka a fat ne hianin anin komwal de thol trep to nia ani hi ka fanu hi le lama chuanin lo harmi lo niveya din tukin jing lama te po khanin han skateboard ten han finten nan han ti ati khanin afa te nen hian anin kom nge khop mai ni boy
Maybe you can make it to a hot dog.
what is it what did you say
I still get to go make it to a hot
it's too hot yeah it's going to be hot say a satro bete say a salutuk
Yeah, it's the veggies cooking this.
avan tui don em ayat sak to le mai hey finte po hi ai ti tlangwal ve to nya hey a u te kom wal trep to ni lalpan fathatak tak le tu thatak tak tam tak min pe a kan lom em a chu na chuanin kan la buai ria amai ro chu an lo tlang wal huna chuanin an om ve khup to na chu hun ta chu mi thla in lo lang ve thin ani. You work hard enough, honey?
Yep. Now the pool is clean.
Okay, pool filter at the fighter. Ta-da!
You got me recording right now, I mean,
So they're ready, but then
Go some more, yeah.
Do the fish.
Logan's trying so hard not to look right
Rudy, you feel a little bit better today?
Yeah.
That's good. And Larsy? How about you, Danny? All right. Look at this big dog. Okay. Well, happy birthday, Lars. That was very good. Quick and easy and tastes good. Your mom did a good job. Samara chuan pangpar te hian ron bulmoi em a ka pangpar te hian la ron bulvek lawa chu wang chuanin a then an ron par chana tam takan na ron par lo boka.
Okay, what's the song, guys? All right, let's hear it. Locusts.
We have to get the waiter in here.
Ole khati zong kha last birthday kan celebrate kan lo share le thei cheu chu nia kan lom thank you so much and God bless.